the burger technique for creative writing.
Hi there, I'm Burger, and I'm going to teach you how to build a great story using burger technique. Think of your story like a burger. Every layer matters, or it just falls apart.
First comes the top bun, the beginning. It introduces the topic and tells who, where, and what's happening.
The patty is the heart of burger, main content, the conflict and action. This is where the problem begins.
Things get tricky, exciting, and intense. That's what keeps your story interesting.
See? These toppings make the burger colorful, vibrant, and tasty. Just like details, feelings, and descriptions.
Don't just tell, show it. Let your readers see, feel, and imagine everything. Finally, the bottom bun, the ending. It holds everything together and makes sense. But what if your story has no structure and everything starts falling apart? No clear beginning, no strong middle, no proper ending. It just feels messy.
Look, same burger, but one is strong and clear, and the other is confused.
Like a perfect burger, when your story has structure, it becomes fun, clear, and exciting to read.
Your creative writing should have introduction, main idea or concept followed by the conclusion.
Remember, top bun, patty, fixings, and bottom bun, that's your perfect story.
So go ahead, build your story like a burger, and make it absolutely delicious and attractive.
Did you enjoy learning with me today? If you did, give this video a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to EduClass for more fun learning.